Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply generate your QR code payment in Alipay. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to click on pay. The next thing you need to do is to click on receive. Then right here, you have your QR code for payment. So you can take a screenshot of this particular QR code, or better still, click on save picture. It will save into your phone gallery. So anybody can use this particular QR code and send money to you in your Alipay account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.